So while I have the control panel turned over, I just want to kind of show you what I have going on here. So this is the 48 volts coming in from the main battery. Okay, so it comes around, and it goes across the current shunt for this display. That's, well, I don't want to turn it over, but there's a voltage amp wattage display on the top of one of these boxes. So this is the shunt that is going to measure the current draw. So these four wires are the milliamps across the resistor, and the voltage. It's going to hook this one up to the ground, and that's going to read the voltage. The negative comes around, bolted right here. So this plate is at ground potential, and then all the wires. So the four wires coming off these two heavy cables split here, and the ground splits here, and it comes out as these four wires here, two red, two black, and they run to the high current for the speed controller. And then from the speed controller, it comes back out these two, the white and the green wire here, and this is hooked to the motor underneath. This button, well, let's start with this one. This is the battery. This is battery shut off. So this is going to kill the power to the drive, so that when you're working on it, or when it's sitting there not being used, you can shut the battery off. And this is an emergency kill switch. So you can set it by giving it a turn, and just smacking it is going to shut the machine off. So if it starts to run away or something, you can throw something at this, or somehow it just makes sense. It should have one of these things, and it's going to shut everything. It's going to shut 12 volts off. It's going to shut 24 or the 48 volts off. This is going to kill that main power relay that was at the very beginning of the circuit. One of the reasons I put that in is so that this thing could kill the power for everything. So this is pretty much it for the bottom of the board. I think this is done. This is the wire that goes up to the steering. Everything comes out through holes in the bottom here to keep the wiring neater on here. Probably going to clamp this in. I think there's one more wire has to come out of here for the life of me. I forget what it is right now, but so anyway, this is what the bottom of the board looks like.